Throughout history, the battlefield has not always been on the front lines. Hidden in the shadows, in dimly lit safe houses and behind locked government doors, spies have waged wars of their own. Their weapons? Not always bullets and bombs, but gadgets, tools and codes, designed to deceive, disrupt, and destroy. This is the untold story of how spy technology evolved, and how it continues to shape the way wars are fought today. World War II created a desperate need for innovation. Agencies like Britain's MI6 and America's OSS experimented with tools that seemed straight out of science fiction. There were cameras hidden inside cigarette packs, transmitters concealed in the heels of shoes, and pistols engineered to fire silently in the dead of night. Every gadget had one purpose: to give an edge in a world where a single secret could change the course of war. With the Cold War, espionage became more dangerous and far more advanced. The Soviet KGB and American CIA unleashed an arsenal of gadgets worthy of a thriller. Perhaps the most infamous? The poison-tipped umbrella that assassinated a Bulgarian dissident on the streets of London. Above the Earth, spy satellites silently recorded troop movements and nuclear sites, turning the sky into the new frontier of espionage. For decades, the Cold War was fought as much with secrets and satellites as with soldiers. As technology shrank, the line between fiction and reality blurred. Lipstick pistols, ties that carried microphones, and briefcases that doubled as rifles made the world of spies look more and more like the movies. In fact, some Bond gadgets were directly inspired by real intelligence tools, and in turn, intelligence agencies often borrowed creative ideas from fiction. Espionage was no longer just about surviving, it became about style, sophistication, and the art of deception. The fall of the Berlin Wall didn't end espionage, it simply moved it online. Computers became the new battleground, storing secrets more valuable than weapons. Satellites scanned the Earth with unmatched precision, GPS guided missiles to their targets, and unmanned drones carried out surveillance without ever putting a soldier at risk. Information, more than armies, became the most powerful weapon of all. Today, the battlefield has gone invisible. Cyber warfare has become the new front line. With AI-driven surveillance, governments can track people in real time. With hacking, entire nations can be sabotaged. In 2010, the Stuxnet virus, believed to be built by the US and Israel, crippled Iran's nuclear program without a single missile fired. Lines of code, not soldiers, achieved what bombs could not. Drones now strike targets thousands of miles away, controlled by pilots who never leave their chairs. Warfare has entered the digital age. The future of espionage is already unfolding. Engineers are creating nano-drones that look and fly like insects, able to sneak through windows undetected. Satellites equipped with AI may one day predict enemy movements before they even happen. Augmented reality helmets could feed soldiers live intelligence on the battlefield. And the terrifying possibility of autonomous weapons, machines that choose their own targets, looms on the horizon. The wars of tomorrow may not be fought with armies at all, but with invisible eyes and silent machines. From umbrellas that killed, to satellites that watched, to lines of code that shut down nations, the tools of spies have always changed warfare. One thing is certain: as long as there are secrets worth stealing, there will always be new weapons hidden in the shadows.